Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more content.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to make automatically passport size photo in Adobe Photoshop 7. You can see here I am using Adobe Photoshop 7. You can easily make any version. This is passport size photo in Photoshop. First of all I show you a normally passport size photo create, and then you can see I'm using a simple technique and automatically passport size photo in make here. You can see here, first of all I choose the photo, and you can see here whatever you choose the photo, simple I choose this one images here, and simply I drag and drop this Photoshop here. You can see this is our photos in here. You can see this is, and you can see here first of all I make crop tool, you can see, and I make a size. You can see here I zoom it here. You can see width is 1.1 inches or height is 1.35 inches or resolution is 300. You can see here just like this, and crop here whatever you want here, just like this I cropping here. You can see here just like this, and simple press enter and crop it here. You can see this is crop is 1.1 inch or 1.35 inch here, and simply create a new page. You can see here, go to the file and new. You can see and choose the size in 4 into 6 pages. You can see here this is 4 by 6 inches page here. This is a 4R page in here. Click on this OK, and click on this move tool and drag and drop here simply, and press Ctrl A, click Ctrl C copy, and click on this the page and press Ctrl V paste it here. You can see here just like this, and you can see this is our new layer, this photos in here, and simply click edit and go to the stroke and choose the stroke weight is 2 inches or center inside. You can using any location in here, and simple I choose the color, and you can easily choose any color. Simply I choose the black color, you can see here, then I click OK and click on this OK. You can see here stroke is our ready here, and simply I drag it here and press Alt or Shift. You can see here just like this. This is I manually do here. You can see here just like this, and you can see here this is our layer. You can see our layer is 3 layers here. Layer 1, this photo is layer 1 is here, and simply I choose a layer 1 a copy and layer 1 copy 2. You can see here 3 layers here, and simply click on this the layer 1 of copy 2. You can see, and press Ctrl E. You can see here merge in layer 1 of copy here, and press Ctrl E. You can see merge layer here, and simply press Alt or Shift button, you can see, and drag it here. You can see our it, and press Alt Shift and drag it here simply just like this. Lift up it here, you can see here just like this, and press again Alt Shift and drag it here like this. You can see here just like this, and you can see here and click on this the more group in here and press Ctrl E. You can see here just our 12 passport size photo in ready is manually working here. You can see, and I work automatically just like this. You can see here I close it here, this image is I close here, this also close it here, and simply I choose the another image here. You can choose any image for the work in here. Simply I choose this one image is here. You can see here just like this, and you can see here go to the windows. You can see click on this the windows and zoom it here, and click on this the action. You can see here this is action option is here, and click on this action. You can see this is our action option, it's open here just like this. I already created one action in here, and simply I press a 1 key and make a passport size photo automatically. You can see here just like this, just one click press and automatically create a passport size photo in a Photoshop. Then you can see here, then I close it here, and simply this action is removed here, simply I delete here, and you can see here this is our action option is here, and simply I click on this the small icon option. You can see here I zoom it here and click on this the new sheet option, click on this here, and simply I zoom it here. You can see here set option is here, and click on this to OK. Whatever you want name also is here. Simply I again choose this small icon. You can see I zoom it here and click on this new action option is here. You can see our action option is open is here, and you can see here name it, put name it here. Simply whatever you want to the name is here. Simply I choose the passport here. You can see, and you can choose the function key. Whatever you use the shortcut key and using, simply I choose the F3 option is here. You can any option key you can choose here, and simply I choose this F3 function key, and simply I click a recorded option is here. You can see here just like this. Then I go to the crop tool, and again I choose this the 1.1 or 1.35 and 300 resolution, and simply I crop it here just like this and press enter. You can see here just like this, crop in here and press Ctrl or N. You can see, and I choose the 4 or into 6 pages in here, 4 by 6 for our page, and simply I copy, Ctrl A, Ctrl C copy, Ctrl V paste. You can see here our work is already recorded in here, and simply I move it here and I go to the edit and stroke. You can using the stroke, I using the 2 stroke in here, and simply I press Alt Shift. You can see same process is applied here, and this is our merge in here. Press Ctrl E. You can see, and Alt Shift, same option is here. Drag it here like this. You can see here and press Alt Ctrl E. You can see here just like this, and click on this the stop recording option is here. You can see this is our recording is stop it here, and simply I close it here. This also close it here, this also close it here, and I choose the another photos in here. You can see I'm choosing the another photo, something I choose this one image is here like this, and I choose the F3, sorry, I press the F3 key and make automatically password size for them here. Simply I choose the press F3. You can see here I press the F3 and using the automatically password size for on here. You can see just like this, and simply I choose again one photo and I drop and drag it here, and simply press F3. You can see here just like this. Another passport size photo is ready to here. You can see this is studio work is the very better now here. You can see here just like this. You can easily make another action is also here, just a filter action is here, face editing action is here, whatever you can using any action for this images on here. You can see, and simply I choose another image just like this, any images, and press F3. You can see just like this, automatically passport size photo and ready to now here. You can see here. I hope you are understand this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Thank you.